At nagbabalik po ang inyong kareaksyonaryo na si Ayoben at nandito po tayo sa panibagong episode ng ating reaksyonaryo saan musika, opinyon, walang halong filter at matagal po tayo nawala ilang buwan pero nandito na naman tayo manonood, magre-react sa isang video. Kaya pakinggan natin itong performance ng tawag ng tangalang contestants Jessa and Ian singing You'll Be Safe Here. Let's go!
Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here. Remember how we laughed until we cried.
Teka lang, ito ba yung kamukha ni Bruno Mars? Hindi ako sure.
The most stupid things, like we were so wild, of the road that we were on, we belong.
And though the world would never understand,
These are like the union and why it still stands.
we would stay.
Oh, nahuli ng pasok si Jessa. Isa pa.
We would stay.
Kalimutan.
Pray and believe.
Damang-dama ko yung kaba kay Jessa kaya kalimutan niya pumasok and at the same time yung boses medyo nagpa-fluctuate, ano? Hindi siya stable. Yeah.
Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears. Weary heart, you'll be safe here. And though the world would never understand,
The sun of the union and why it still stands.
Grabe yung kaba ng Jessa. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa stable at nervyos. Ang galing kumanta, pero dahil this is competition and finals. Final 3.
someday we will be set free. Pray and believe. Save
Di sila nag-blend.
your eyes from your tears, 'cause when nothing
Kinusap yung kami, siguro grabing pawis na pawis yan, no?
you'll be safe here from the sheer weight of your doubts and fears. Wouldn't it hurt?
You'll be safe. You'll be safe.
First of all, talagang ramdam na ramdam ko yung kaba. Imagine you're facing these judges. Yung mga expression nila, iba-iba. Some of them are satisfied. At yun yung nagraran sa utak ng contestant. So imagine you're there. Si Jessa, yung boses niya hindi stable eh. And yeah, magaling. Maganda yung damit nila. Pareho sila gwapo, maganda on stage. The band is excellent. They're doing what they need to do. Uh, it's just that on the performance itself, they could have done better. Kasi napaka-meaningful ng song eh. You'll be safe here. And I've I've heard this song multiple times interpreted by, you know, different artists na may mga narinig na rin akong versions or interpretations na hindi siya expected, no? Na nakakagulat siya talaga. So, ang hirap ng mga tono ng kanta na 'to, ang hirap ng mga runs nila. Definitely napakahirap. Kaya siguro part na rin dun ng kaba nilang dalawa. But going back, what I said na they could have done better. Siguro yung sa performance nila, pwedeng sanang dinagdagan pa nila ng sa stage, yung movements, blockings, and everything. All the time, I'm just watching them facing each other. So, alam mo yun, parang mas mainam na dinagdagan sana nila ng accent. So, but at the end of the day, yeah, mahusay silang dalawa and they deserve to be in the finals, right? So, ayun, so yun lamang. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa reaksiyonaryo for this episode. Big shout out sa mga subscribers natin, 724. Salamat sa inyo. Keep watching, keep enjoying, and yeah, stay tuned sa ating mga videos. Reaksyonaryo, musika, opinion, walang halong filter. See ya.